Good morning, kindergarten. So we are on session 4 of lesson 26 today. This is our last session of the week for the first chapter on teen numbers. Now, before we get into our workbook pages today, I wanted to do a warm-up with you using your cubes. So go ahead and get your whole pack of cubes out. I've already got my reds and yellows in towers of 5s. So I need you to go ahead and do that so we can make a whole tower of 10, a group of 10. Pause the video if you need some extra time to get those set up, but we will be doing a warm-up here to show teen numbers, okay? All right, so now that you have all your yellows and all your reds together, you should have a group of 10. Now, we talked yesterday and the day before that teen numbers always begin with a group of 10 and have some extras. So we're going to be building those extras today to show teen numbers. So the easiest one to start with is 11. 11 is 10 and one more. So I'm going to get my one green cube and show the number 11, 10 and one extra. Now it'd be the same if I said 12. 12 is made up of a 1 and a 2. The 1 comes from a group of 10. The 2 is 2 extra. So now I have 12 cubes. I want you to try to build 15. 15. Oh, that's a tricky one because it doesn't really sound like a number. 15. Well, it almost sounds like 5. So I think I need my group of 10 and 5 extra. I have 2. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3 more. So now I have a group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra. Group of 10 and 5 extra is 15. Now for an easier one, I want you to make 18. 18. What numbers do you hear when I say the word 18? I hear 8 and I hear teen. That teen means the group of 10. The extras is 8. I know I have 5. I want to get to 8. Okay, so make your group of 8 extras. And you should add 6, number 7, and number 8. So now we have 18. Go ahead and put your cubes aside. And if you're still working, go ahead and finish that up before you move on. But we're going to be working in our workbook now. Okay, so we're going to turn to page 525 in our workbooks, and it looks a lot like this page right here because it is the same page. Today we're going to be looking at our cubes and deciding which teen number they're showing, but something's different about these cubes. Their group of 10 isn't one long line like it was yesterday. Look what they did today. They broke up their group of 10 into 2 parts. It should look just like a tens frame without the frame around it. But let's count these blue cubes to make sure they're still 10, just in case you don't believe that they have 10 there. So put your pointer fingers on the first cube and we're going to count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They made a tens frame. So instead of having all 10 in one big tower, they broke it up into 2 groups of 5. So today when we're looking at our groups of 10 in the blue cubes, they're going to look like this today. It's still 10, but they broke them up. And then there's some extras. So we're going to see if these extras show us 12 or 13. So I know I have a group of 10. That's where the 1 came from in both of these teen numbers. Teen numbers cannot exist without that 1 from the group of 10. The second number in each number here is the extras. Let's count how many extras there are. 1, 2, 3. So if there's a group of 10 and 3 extras, is that the number 12? No, it can't be, because 12 says there's a group of 10 and only 2 extras. Well, does that show us the number 13? Let's see. Here's the 1 from our group of 10, and it says there should be 3 extras. Well, are there 3 extras? You bet. 1, 2, 3. So that is the number 13. Excuse me. So let's look at the one in the middle. There's a group of 10, and I see some extras. We need to decide if these cubes are showing us 11 or 12. So 11 says that it has a group of 10 and 1 extra. 12 shows that there's a group of 10 and 2 extras. Let's count our extras because they both have a group of 10. I only see 1 yellow cube. So is that showing us the number 11 or 12? Did you say 11? If you said 11, kiss your brain because you got it. There's only 1 group of 10 and 1 extra. But let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Excellent job. Now this last one, I'm going to help set you up, but you are going to answer on your own. So I see a group of 10, which means it is a teen number, and I see some extras. Your job is to decide if it's showing you 12 cubes or 14 cubes. Pause the video if you need time to prepare and answer your question. Go ahead and hit play when you're ready to move on to the next page. Okay, so when you're ready, we're going to turn that page over, and we're looking at page 526 now. This page looks a lot like some other pages we've done this year to make sure that you have understood the concept. So today is, do you understand teen numbers? So they're going to show you groups of 10 blue cubes and some yellow extra cubes and decide if they showed the correct number. Now, if they did and the answer is right, you're going to color the smiley face. If they didn't, you're going to color in the sad face. We're going to do the first 2 together, and then you'll do the last one on your own. So let's look at this first one. I see a blue cube, and I see some yellow cubes. But do I see a group of 10 blue cubes and some yellow extra cubes? No, I just see 1 little blue cube. So let's see how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the person who did this says they have 13. I wonder how they got 13. What did they do wrong? I know. Instead of putting a group of 10 blue cubes, they only used 1 blue cube. They didn't count it right. 1 blue cube is not the same as 10 blue cubes. It's only 1. So they didn't make a group of 10 to get that 1. They got their 3 extras right, but that's still only 1. So we're going to color in the sad face. Womp womp. They didn't add it right. Let's look in the middle box. I see a group of 10 blue cubes. So far, so good. They got that part right. And I see some extras. How many extra yellows do you see? That's right. I see 2. 1, 2. Now they said that is number 14. And they're very confident in that answer. Are they right, though? 14 says there should be a group of 10 and 4 extra. Did they make a group of 10? You bet. There it is right there. Did they make 4 extra? No, there's only 2 extra. If we have 1 group of 10 and 2 extra, that number 12 is not the same as number 14. So we need to womp womp. color the sad face. Let's look at the last one. This is the one where you will answer on your own. I see a group of, that's right, that's a group of 10. And I see some extra yellow cubes. Your job is to decide if the answer 15 is right or wrong. Look at your group of 10 and your extra yellows to decide if 15 is the right answer. And then color in the right face. This is what I'll be looking for when we get to see each other again, okay? Hopefully this helps parents, and good luck to you students. We'll see you next week. Bye.